Welcome back, poets. Yes, boys and girls, this is the last week of our fiction unit. But this week we're going to do something a lot different. This week, instead of me calling you imaginators, I'm going to call you guys poets. Have you ever read poetry? We have a little bit before in class, and I found a couple on the internet that I want to read you. So, this is one. I have a little frog, is what it's called. I have a little frog. His name is Tiny Tim. I put him in the bathtub to see if he could swim. He drank up all the water and gobbled up the soap, and when he tried to talk, he had a bubble in his throat. So that's just an example of a poem. That one's called I Have a Little Frog. Lots of times poems rhyme. Lots of times poems don't rhyme. It just depends. It's just a very creative kind of writing. It just depends on what you want to do as the author. So here's another one I found on the internet. This one's called Ice Cream. Ice cream in a bowl, ice cream in a cone, ice cream any way I want as long as it's my own. Ice cream can be sticky, ice cream can be sweet. Ice cream is delicious. It's my very favorite treat. So those are just two examples of different poems that I found on the internet. So boys and girls, today we're going to write our very first poem. We're going to be writing animal poems that describe what animals do. Remember that a poem doesn't look at all like a story. There aren't always sentences, and sometimes there's not even periods. I'm going to be showing you poems all the rest of this week. And today I decided that I was going to write mine about dogs. So I just wrote dogs at the top, and then I wrote 5 words that describe something that dogs do. So I write dogs: bark, lick, run, chase, jump, and then I ended it with dogs. That's just an example of a fun poem about animals. So today, you guys, for writing, are going to choose a topic. Anything you want. It can be an animal. It can be something you like to do, like ride your bike. You could say bikes. It could be about something fun that you've done lately, somewhere that you've gone, maybe the park. Maybe it could just be about your house, since a lot of us have just been at our house, right? So you're going to choose the topic, and that's going to be the title of your poem. And then you're going to write 5 words that describe or go along with your topic. And at the end, you're going to repeat that topic one more time. So boys and girls, you can do that in your journals. You can write this in the blank part if you want. You can write it on the lines, however you would like. And then you can draw a little picture to go with it. Okay, can't wait to see those boys and girls. And tomorrow I'm going to teach you a new kind of poetry. See you tomorrow.